Okay, so I looked online, like all over the place online, and what I was really trying to do was figure out how to change my outside door handle, because my outside door handle had it was damaged. It was like it broke, and like I don't know if you could see that the screws, they broke off on the side the by where I put the key in. And so yeah, I went online, and I just was having a hard time finding one for 2005 um, Buick LaCrosse, 2005 Buick LaCrosse. So after doing like extensive work and trying to figure out and like getting like 1,000 high prices, high quotes or whatever from the auto places, and I just decided, hey man, you know what? I'm gonna do my homework and I'll try to fix it myself. And believe it or not, it's a lot easier than people think. So I'm gonna give you like the dummy way of doing it, because people tend to forget that people trying to fix stuff, not not, we don't got all the answers for this stuff, and it don't come second nature to some of us. So we need the easy way. So here we go. I'm gonna show you how I did it. Okay, so I just received my part offline. I just ordered the new piece off of off of um off of eBay, and I got it for about 14 bucks. About 14 bucks, and pretty much all you need is like a socket to do this, and um like I think a five star like key thingy like this, and that's pretty much all you need. So what I did first, and I've already taken it off, but it is no screws or nothing like that. Well, I mean, it's not no screws in like the sides or nothing like that. So what you basically looking for is right here, where you see those two screws. They got to come out right there, and it's a piece covering that, and it's a little piece that was actually covering this section of the door, and you unscrew that. And from there, all you have to do is kind of pry the sides, like pry the sides are loose, like so. But I've already pretty much got that out, so you see that it came right out. And for me, I'm not gonna take it all the way off. I won't take it all the way off, but I'm just pretty much trying to give you a easy man way of doing it. If you look inside, like right there, that's where your screws at. You got one screw on this side and a little pin piece that you got to pop out. And if you look in this hole right here, you got two more screws that hold it in on this side right here. So you got to unscrew all those, and then just pretty much just pop it out, which I've already done, because if you look right here, it's already off. Okay, so I'll come back to you when I finish screwing it back in. Okay, so trying to put the door handle back on here. When you're trying to put the door handle back on here, there's this little hook right here. So you slide into your new door handle, you slide that into there, and before you push it back inside the little hole that it goes back in. Okay, so now we got all the screws and stuff, the door back on, all the screws back in and everything. Now I'm about to get ready to put the inside door back together now. Pretty simple. That was about 30 minutes worth of work. All the screws are back in. The handle and everything is back on. Yeah, so everything is back connected like it should be. And this is the door handle back on like it should be. So yeah. Okay, so the screws go right there, and the screw go right in there. These two pieces go back in there, so you pop this piece right here and this little piece covering it, and I'll be done. Okay, so everything connected. Now, you know, it's easy. You could do a 2005 Buick LaCrosse door handle, outside door handle for the driver's side. So as you can see, with a little blood, sweat, and tears, and a little bit of work, you know, it can be done. And I hope this was helpful for everybody. So now I'm about to test it out and see if it works. Okay, so as you can see, it works.